Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and with version 2.0 there's a new shortcuts option for the bottom menu. Okay, so it looks like this here. Here at the bottom you can see a lot of useful shortcuts, so I can activate the outline or reference image, matcap mode, and a lot more. So you see here in the settings menu, here you can add shortcuts at the bottom, and here you find three dots for bindings. So yeah, these are the default shortcuts, so I don't need undo redo to save a little bit of space here. And camera reset is the same as these two icons here, so I don't need that. So now I have place or space to add shortcuts here at the bottom. So, and yeah, you can choose what you want, what you need. A lot of people work a lot with multi-resolution, and yeah, there are really a lot of shortcuts possible, and yeah, also the brush tools. So okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting and ciao.